It's a new 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. From the striking looks to the proven powertrain technologies that are up to any task, this Silverado stands out from the rest. It's well equipped with the features you need: Bluetooth streaming audio, power heated mirrors, air conditioning, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, manual tilting steering column, automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, electronic shift on the fly, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Edmunds.com reports the Silverado pickup is just as adept at serving as the weekday family car as it is at transporting home improvement supplies or towing a boat on the weekends. In a Chevy, the journey matters more than the destination. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Hall Automotive. More cars, great people. Hall Chevrolet Chesapeake, a MileOne company, is minutes off I-264 or I-664. Easy to get to from all of Hampton roads.